boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have 2 feet here, a cool group, and we have the song called Tell Me the Truth. So 2 feet, we had them before with the song called Caviar, a very, very cool song. This one is cool as well. So let's start with this one. 3rd fret, have a capo there, and we're set for this song. We have 4 different chords or grip. I will call them A minor, the A minor with G in the bass, with F sharp in the bass, and then a straight F chord. So that is what we're gonna call these chords. They're not exactly like technically these chords, but that is easiest way of having them explained. Okay, so let's start with the first one, the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have this A minor with G in the bass. You just keep the A minor as it is, and you add the 3rd fret on the E string. Like this, right? And then we're gonna do the same now, but we will go on to the F sharp in the bass instead. But you need to recuperate your fingers to have this grip. All right, so it's basically the same, A minor now, but with these fingers, with the index down here on the B string, the ring finger on the D, and a little pinky on G. And then you have the F sharp here with your middle finger. That is how I play. Some people, they use their thumb like this. It's up to you to choose your way, but this is how I will play that chord. Okay, so that gives you 2nd on E string, then it's open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the final chord, we'll call it F, and the grip will be like this. Cool sound, okay? So that is 1st fret on E string, then open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. Okay? So these are grips, A minor, then A minor with G in the bass, then A minor with F sharp in the bass, with this setting here, if you want to do like I do, and then we have the F here, like that. All right. So there we have the chords and the grips. So I'm going to show you this melody now. It goes like this. Okay, so that is open A as the bass together with 1st fret B string. Then 2nd G, 2nd D, and then again 1st B, 2nd G, and 2nd D. So that is the pattern, you can say, for all these chords. So a bass note plus the notes I played is the pattern. So again, open A as bass together with 1st B, then comes 2nd G, 2nd D, 1st B, 2nd G, 2nd D. So together sounds like this. Okay, the next will be this A minor with G in the bass. The principle is the same here. You're gonna play now instead 3rd fret on E string as the bass, and the same will be, and the rest will be the same, okay? So now you play the 3rd fret on E string together with 1st fret B, and the rest is the same. So okay, we move on here to the F sharp with this A minor, this grip. We play the same, just a different bass note. This time we have the 2nd fret E string as the bass together with 1st fret B, and the rest is the same. And then we have the final F bass chord. Here we're gonna play 1st fret E in the bass together with 3rd fret B, then second fret G, second fret D, and again second fret B, sorry, third fret B, second G, and second D. And that's it. So okay, so cool melody there. Now we can do this with a strumming. I'm gonna first show you just playing chords and strumming. So we will do that first now. We'll take this A minor since that is the first chord. And the strumming, one round goes like this. Okay, so that is down, down, clap. So 2 times down and a clap. And then you play 3 times down and a clap. So 2 downs, clap, 3 downs, clap. That is one strumming round. So so you're gonna play one strumming round per chord. So with that chord progression, A minor with then A minor G, A minor F sharp, and F, it will sound like this. Another round. So that is how the strumming goes. Now you can also mix this up and play kind of this melody and build in the clap, okay? So what you do there, you will just do the first 2 notes that replicate the 2 first downs. So 2 downs and a clap. So that means 2 first notes, clap, and then 3 notes and a clap. Okay, so you see the pattern here. First 2 notes and a clap, and then the last 3 notes and a clap. So for A minor, it means like this. 1, 2, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. Next chord. 1, 2, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. So in the context with this chord progression, it will sound like this. When I choose to play this, when I mix up with the mixing the notes and the kind of strumming pattern, I play the bass notes for both here, and after the clap I play the bass note again. Since the clap kills all sound, so when I do the first clap, I just kill all sound, so I don't have any bass ringing out. So that's why I choose to play the bass again. So bass to clap, bass to clap. Sorry, bass to clap, bass. Like this. is what's going on with 2 Feet. Tell me the truth. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. Give it a try. A really cool song, like always, from 2 Feet. I love their music. So they will probably come back here pretty soon, I believe. So if you like 2 Feet, yeah, stay tuned here. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon, and play tuned.